Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be good. My name is Kalpana and I am going to talk about my mind goes blank when I am trying to speak in English. How to overcome this problem. Please watch this video till the end. I make sure this video would be helpful. And friends, if you like my effort, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Without further ado, let's get into video. Now I am going to talk about when I am trying to speak in English, my mind goes blank. So, and what should to do to overcome this problem? And it's not just my problem. Every English learner, every beginner have to face this problem. And we could not express our views in English. And problem when we are trying to speak, our mind goes blank and we forget words, sentences and rules of grammar. If we forget everything when we try to speak. And friends, we are hesitant, we take pause and our confidence is lost. We are scared, we do not want continue, and we are always ready to give up our first obstacle. And our mind is not ready to give up on comfort zone. We want to learn everything without any effort, and this is a bitter truth. We always trying to apply tips and tricks, and we do not practice daily. That's the reason. So friends, how to overcome this problem? When we and this is not a big problem. Yes, when you don't know about English, then we have to face many problems. I know this. But when we are trying to speak regularly, when we are trying to speak to some sentences in our daily life, then it's going to be easy for us. So try to speak. And don't think about this, people laugh at you, what will happen when you could not express your views in English. If you will think all these things, then you would not be able to speak in English. So try to speak. I have to face many problems when I am trying to speak in English. But when I'm trying to this regularly, then it's going to be easy for me. And one day I make sure I'm able to speak in English. I will be able to speak in English with fluency and with confidently. So, most important thing is that listening, reading and speaking. And don't try tough words. Try to speak easy and simple sentences. Like I get up early in the morning. I drink water. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch 12 o'clock. So use these simple sentences and try to speak. That's all. And take care. Thanks for watching. See you again.